Welcome to my channel. My name is Brianda. Somehow my intro got deleted, so yeah, we're here right now. Today is a very special day. It would have been my abuelita's 64th birthday. So guys, say feliz cumpleaños to mi abuelita in heaven. I love you so much, Grandma, and I know that you used to love watching me do my makeup, so this video is dedicated to you. Today, I will be challenging myself to recreate a popular TikTok makeup trend known as the bright under eye look. Thanks to this amazing makeup artist, challenge accepted. Let's get started. Of course, getting started off, you need a bare face, so, you guys can see the designer bags, the peach fuzz, all that good stuff. Starting off with our base today, I am going to use the Pro Concealer. This is just going to be my normal skin tone to blend in with the brighter concealer, which today we are going to use Fenty. And to set all of that and start off with the actual eyeshadow, I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match Powder. I've had this for maybe way too long. Don't ask how long because you might panic. But I don't use foundation, if you didn't know. And a lot of people are kind of curious to why. I just have very sensitive skin and I feel like foundation, it's a lot on my face. So I would prefer to use concealer and try to substitute that and make it look like a full face, even though it's not. So watch how I do that before we actually get on to the bright eyeshadow attempt. So that was a sped up process on how I do my base, which I think it looks way better than how I usually do my bases, where I just normally put on concealer. But I've applied it to more areas where I feel like it just makes it look more cohesive and not just like super blotchy, if that makes sense. And I also use like this that comes with the powder to blend it instead of using my fingers, because I feel like it's just too messy and it does take a lot more time. It looks really good. I did already add the Fenty to the inner corner because the next step in applying the bright under eye color is to choose one of like a lip gloss or something that has some bright pigment. So I have a choice between these three colors, and I feel like with this shirt, more of the pink is popping out than like the light purples. So yeah, I'm gonna use this. I'm really nervous to apply a lip cream onto my eyes. I just hope it actually blends properly, but I'm just gonna go for it because I'm gonna keep complaining. And yeah, oh my god, what? Why? I'm nervous. I'm so nervous. Oh my god. Maybe it just looks scary because it's red, or it's like more of a pinkish reddish tone, so it's giving like sick vibes. Guys, this looks so okay. I love the color, don't get me wrong, the color looks really good actually. It matches my shirt perfectly. Does it look like my face is becoming the image, or is it just like stop? Just stop. Like,
you can kill all that right now. Like at this moment, stop.
I'm definitely not going to add any more color because I feel like the color is definitely pigmented. No more pink. Dang. So I don't hate this. It just looks so different to me. But I think once I have the lashes on and everything, it's gonna give a Y2K look. That's my style, that's my vibe. That's my current vibe right now in 2022. So I will be back. Hear me out though. What does this look like if it was blue? If it was blue, what do I look like? It's giving Willy Wonka. I didn't realize this is the exact type of look that the girl had in the movie. This is dope. This could be a Halloween idea. And then I also added pink to my waterline on the inner corner and then black to my waterline on the outer corner and blended them together. And I think it makes it look so cohesive and good. I'm not even done yet. Like, I still need to do my lips, but I think so far, so good. And stay tuned.
Swagging to the max. My bitch a fashion killer, she be busy popping tags. She got a lot of Prada, that Dolce and Gabbana. I can't forget the Prada and that Balenciaga.
So I hope that you guys really love this look. I'm obsessed with it. I think it is definitely out of my comfort zone, but 10 out of 10, babe. Like, literally, extra, read all about it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this look, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below with some requests or just your thoughts of this makeup look. If you guys have any other makeup trends that you guys would like me to attempt trying or any other video ideas, don't hesitate to comment them down below or message me on my socials. But besides that, I will see you guys later. Bye!